in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Divas Wigs. So I'm super excited to be doing this video. So thank you guys so much for sending out this fabulous unit to share with my fabulous divas. But yeah, in this video, you guys will be seeing me unboxing the unit as well as the application and the styling, and of course my first impressions. So yeah, if you divas are interested in the details and the specs on this unit, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. Today we have a unit from Divas Wigs. So I wanted to do an unboxing. So it comes with a pamphlet, and it also comes with a wig cap as well as a brush, which you guys will see here in a second. Yeah, so here is the brush, and then it also comes with this super cute satin bag where you can store your wig. I think that this is really nice to store your wig in, especially if you're going to be traveling and just for general storage purposes. So when you receive the unit, it does come in this plastic. It also comes with a stocking cap net, and then it also comes with paper on the inside, I guess, to hold the wig together. And this is a 360 unit, and here I'm just going to show you guys pretty much the cap construction, and here I'm just showing you guys that it is a full lace wig.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to.
So now that you guys have seen all of the cap construction and everything, which is constructed really nice, I'm going to go in and show you guys how it works for me. So it looked really good without me gluing it down or anything, as you guys seen, but we're just going to go in and try out this method. My subscribers, or you guys rather, have been asking me to try out the yellow glue, got to be glue. So I'm trying it out. I typically don't like doing this, of course, because like my hairline is just, you guys, comes out far, as you guys can see. So I was like, let me give this a try. And then I also wanted to kind of demonstrate like how I would put on a lace wig if I just absolutely had to, you know, adhere it down. So hopefully if you have like a low hairline like me, or a fuller hairline like me that protrudes out, you know, this is kind of helping you. If you guys want like a full in-depth detail on how to do it, I will do that for you guys. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I did it just so you can see. But I'm gonna go on with this kinkier mousse by Got To Be, and I really like this because it does not like take away from the texture or make your hair look like wet and just like super like non-voluminous. So that's why I really like this one. This is like my third time trying it out, and I really do like it. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I'm doing to the hair. So far I think this hair is really pretty. I absolutely love the cap construction, the hairline, everything about this unit is good so far. Of course I have to wear the unit more so I can give you guys like a final and full-on like in-depth review, but so far I am liking what I see. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch the rest. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen the unboxing and everything for this unit, I am here to give you guys kind of like my first impressions. So first of all, I really do like the wig. I feel like it's really well constructed. I like the fact that it is a full lace. Typically I don't really style my lace units like, you know, too much unless it's like a half up half down, which this will be perfect for that, especially because it's full lace. But I do really like the fact that it's full lace, and I love like just the overall way that it's constructed. The hairline came already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do anything in that area, and that was just amazing. As far as how the hair goes, the hair seems really nice so far. Of course I have to wear the hair before I can give you guys like my final review, but so far I'm liking it. The curls are really nice. Now I did fluff them out a lot because I didn't want like a defined look today. That just wasn't what I was going for today. But I will style the hair in a future video showing you guys like the curls more defined so you guys can see that. But I did want them to be a little bit more fluffy because I was in the mood for some big diva hair today. So I'm also glad I got a chance to share with you guys like how to wear a lace frontal or a full lace wig when you have like a low hairline, because as you guys know, like my hairline is right here, it's almost to my eyebrows, and I know I will always get discouraged and think that I can't wear a frontal or anything because of how my hairline is. But as I showed you guys in this video, you definitely can. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on that, then I would definitely go ahead and get that up for you guys. But I did want to quickly show you guys like how I'm wearing it and how I'm able to, you know, like wear it as a frontal with, even though my hairline protrudes out. But yeah, this hair is really gorgeous and I'm liking her so far. I am going to wear her so that I can give you guys like a full review on her. I think she's super cute. I love how I have kind of like not a defined part, but like just like kind of like swoop down. So this is not meant to be like baby hair. This is meant to be like a sloppy flip over, wanted to be apart type of look. So before you guys come for me, and my hairline is full, so I don't mind having like full edges on my wig because my hairline is actually full, so I don't mind emulating my own hairline. But anywho, I really like the unit so far, and if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have links down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that's all that I have for now. I will be wearing this unit and returning to you guys with a final review on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas think, and if you have any questions or anything. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous divas in my next video. Bye.